So in my last video, you met Officer Eunice.
Hey, cruiser, block this driveway.
Yeah, he's the one that was at my house earlier that day and the one who was in the courthouse parking lot as I was leaving. I just came out of the courthouse for requesting a FOIA request. Look who outside. Outside, they was out there looking at me. Yep, sped to catch up to me. Followed me. Ran my info.
What's from the vehicle?
Damn, nigga!
Nope. Yeah, it's clear.
And for more context, when these fools were at my house earlier that day, as I told them,
run the address.
And they did.
Hey,
Can
you show me your ID so I just know you live here?
Two vehicles registered to that address.
I can't hear you.
Ford Explorer and the GMC Acadia.
I just want to see your driver's license.
Ford Explorer.
How about an Arabic, please, man? How about Arabic?
You just give the name off the register. You never registered it.
They know. They got the name.
I just want to confirm you live here, man. How do I know it's you? Your driver's license will have your name on it.
Okay. Sorry, I have mine.
Well, we were called for a crime and you're acting suspicious. I just want to confirm you live here.
Called for a crime. I just
Suspicious. I just want to confirm you live here.
Called for a crime. I just
If the car's in the driveway, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
You live here. We have people pulling driveways all the time. Okay. Driver's license.
Does anybody know? Is he?
What?
Who's knocking on the door, maybe?
I already know.
Oh, brother. Is that right?
Yeah,
show
it's
him your
concealing. You
driver's
want to verify his. You don't have a property law. You don't have a property law.
Point being, Officer Punis knew who I was before he pulled up on me on Fat Slime Time and tried to play kids games.
Where you coming from?
Like I got dumbass written all over my body.
No one answer.
Hey, Joe, are you calling?
Like I got dumbass written all over my body, but this ain't about Punis. This is about Officer Fayad. He was upset because I rolled down my window and looked at him.
I mean, what you saying?
Yes, pull me over.
Pull up. Are you pulling me over? Through the window. Turn your lights on. I got you.
Yes, we got into a pissing contest.
What is it? How you pronounce your last name? Fayad. I'm not stupid, man.
He gave me tickets.
No insurance, which is a misdemeanor. You got my CPS. You being issued for tinted windows, unlawful tinted windows, and distracted driving.
And then told Bay, you dirty motherfucker. So after missing court, which I cannot tell you why I did, one, because it's irrelevant, and two, because I truly don't remember because too much bullshit has transpired. So after hearing that the tickets that Officer Fayad had issued me were in warrant status, I contacted the court and I was told that I could come into the court Monday through Wednesday, excluding Thursdays, and Friday, meaning I can come in Friday, excluding Thursdays. However, but the court clerk told me over the phone, she said, come in with $20 cash to clear the warrant and you can go right up to see the judge. Verbatim. Sidney, S-I-D-N-E-Y.
Okay, yep, I got it. Yep, so this is mandatory court, but it's only done at 9 a.m. Monday through Friday. That's why no one's out there. Court's been done.
What's my status currently?
So it is a warrant.
Right.
So then we're closed tomorrow, but if you come in Friday, $20 cash plus your ID, we'll get that warrant lifted immediately and you'll see the judge.
And then we'll have the case after that.
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
And you said that was Friday, right? Yep. That was a flat out lie. Now keep in mind, I'm not the only person there that day that this happened to. There will be no video. There will only be audio. The reason being is because when I'm in public and I record my encounters with my public officials, I try to remain and conduct myself as clandestine as possible, being so that I can get their natural reaction to whatever the situation is that's occurring or may be. So for those who need visual and auditory stimulation simultaneously, I'm sorry I cannot help you. This is what happened. I don't want to provide that information.
You can have a seat. They'll call you back probably in about 15 minutes to get fingerprints before you go to court.
Fingerprint for what?
For the warrant.
If it's being canceled, why am I being fingerprinted?
So you have to get fingerprinted because the charge is misdemeanor.
Right, it's not a felony, so that's where I'm at. Why?
You get fingerprinted for misdemeanors and felonies.
Do I condone violence? No! But do you got a smack a hole? Yes! Yes!
It's the same thing. Instead of bringing people to jail, we just write a citation.
Why am I being fingerprinted? I've never been fingerprinted before.
Because you're being charged with a misdemeanor.
warrant thing canceled, right?
Yeah, but you're
So why is that being-
charged with the misdemeanor of no insurance.
Where do you want me to go?
Just have a seat. They'll call you back in a few minutes. You'll get fingerprinted.
I don't mind. Talking. Down here?
Yeah.
Where do we want to go do?
I'm gonna book you.
For what?
You don't have court today?
I'm sorry, what?
You don't have court today?
I'm supposed to have court today. I'm not officially on any paperwork for court.
Okay, so you're gonna be fingerprinted. I'm gonna take your information and then you're gonna go to court.
You got a sergeant I can speak to? You have a sergeant I can speak to?
No, we can go inside and then I can call.
Yeah, could you do that? Go in this left door.
Right, please. Okay, just stand here. We're gonna go through this door. Yeah.
Oh, you want to speak to a sergeant?
I do.
For what?
Do I condone violence? No! But do you got a smack a hole? Yes! Yes! Because now you get beside yourself. You get too beside your damn self. Go sit your ass down so if I have to put hands in your face.
Because I want to speak to a sergeant.
Okay, but I have to go tell them like what it's about.
Because I'm trying to figure out what's all this extra business that y'all doing? No, I know that. I've been to court before, but I'm trying to figure out what are y'all doing. So I need to speak to a
So
sergeant.
right now, it's just you went to the front desk, right?
Correct.
They pulled up your information, all your like past stuff, and we don't put nothing in. We just put your information in, like your socials, where you live. That's it.
But what they got I know that, but I'm trying to figure out why am I sitting here on a bench about some traffic tickets.
I just told you to update your information. So say you moved addresses, right?
Wait, you saying I'm here because you want to collect my new information?
Yeah.
You could have collected.
They can't do it over there. And then put your fingerprint, picture, and that.
What you need my? What do you need? What do you need?
It's just the
That's why I wanted to speak to the sergeant. That's what I'm asking you because it seemed like the question I'm about to ask you can't answer.
I mean, I'm just telling you how it works.
But I'm asking you saying that I'm here because you want to collect my information. I'm saying
that's what we do. We put in information.
But why am I here? Is what I'm asking.
How much do you weigh?
I don't know what you do.
I want to speak to your sergeant. You got a sergeant available?
Yeah,
Yeah, how much do you weigh?
I don't want to give you no information until I speak to your sergeant.
Okay, you go. Let me stay in here with you.
Yeah, I'm not going to speak any further. I'm not going to speak any further. I just want to talk to somebody real quick. If you just let me as soon as you get the sergeant in here, I'll tell you everything you need to know once I know what I need to know. Because all that information that you're asking me is on my driver's license.
Hello.
Hi. I just have a couple of questions.
Okay.
I'm just trying to figure out, like, I've been to court several times, but I'm just trying to figure out, like, what is this extensive process as far as I'm being fingerprinted and all of this? I was never arrested. So are you saying that I'm being arrested? I mean, like, that's what I'm trying to figure out. Like, what's this extra process that I've never ever seen take place over a traffic violation?
Okay. So so I was looking at, it was like a speeding ticket that didn't get paid at the time or something?
No, it wasn't speeding. It was driving without insurance.
Oh, okay. All right. Whatever the traffic offense was. At that, once it's not with us, it's 15 days. Like I know in Detroit, you have 21 days. Whatever time frame it is, once it defaults, and then the court generates a warrant. Now you have a warrant issued by the court for your arrest. So that, when they put that in the system, that computer over there shows that you are in the system as having a warrant.
Correct.
That's now, it's a crime now, because you have to be processed on the misdemeanor warrant. You have a misdemeanor warrant. So, once you come in to turn yourself in, we put your fingerprints in there, and then your fingerprints it's assigned that it's no longer in the pending stage of waiting to be processed, you are now processed, and it is going to the court. So there's 3 segments in the computer with fingerprint. There's charge that got generated. So right now the traffic offense became a misdemeanor crime. That's pending. Then you get processed, which means now that it's going to trial, it's going to the judge, going before the court, and then the 3rd phase is adjudicated, so the result. So right now, in order to move to the 2nd phase to get to adjudication, everyone has to get fingerprinted on all charges.
Okay, I've been to court several times. This is the first time in my life of 33 years being on this earth that it sounds insane to me that being fingerprinted. Ever. And I've had my license suspended multiple times. It's not a secret. I'm not admitting to something that you can't see yourself.
Right.
I've never been fingerprinted. I've been into court. I've been in the 36th district. I've been into other courts where in person where it was in warrant status. I've never had to submit to fingerprints to go see a judge. Ever in my life.
Well,
ever.
I don't know why you wouldn't have, but I'd like to.
I mean, but why would I?
Because that's the way it's done everywhere.
But
So I worked in Detroit, all misdemeanor warrants in Detroit, and that's talking about thousands of people that don't pay tickets in Detroit.
Right.
They all got processed in Detroit too when I worked.
At 36th district?
At the precincts, yeah.
No, at 36. When that means they were arrested during that time period.
Right.
I wasn't arrested.
And so technically, right now you are. You've turned yourself in on a warrant.
That's what I asked from the beginning. So what you're saying is that I am being arrested.
Yes.
When I come in to clear the warrant, so technically what you're saying is you're arresting me.
You're not going through the whole normal, impound your car.
You dirty motherfucker.
Coming through, yes, you're being arrested without actually getting handcuffed and booked and lodged. You're just getting processed as an arrest and then going straight to court because you're turning yourself in. Does that make more sense?
What MCL is that?
The MCL is going to have to be whatever the chart. I'd have to go look at your warrant.
Okay, so I am under arrest right now.
Yes.
Okay, what do you need me to do?
Okay, they're going to ask you your name and all that stuff, and then you already have it.
Paulus, last name?
Yes, Paul.
Got you. What you want me to do?
Once they're ready, they're putting your information in here. And then they're going to get your fingerprints, and then you go straight over to court.
Appreciate you, Lieutenant.
Of course. What was your name?
Sidney.
Cindy?
Sidney.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Sorry like this.
Oh, no, we're good. I just wanted to know what's going on. Like, what's the deal? I feel like I'm being kidnapped. But okay.
No. We like to...
What you need? You need something from me?
What's your social security number?
I have to say that?
Yeah.
It's a security number.
I know that. I know that. I'm just asking, like.
Well, they're going to get your fingerprint and take it over to court. Good luck, sir.
What's your current address? Is it the one that...
It is. All that information on my ID is correct.
What's your phone number?
My phone number? I don't want to give you that information.
Huh?
Just so.
I don't want to give you that information. I didn't have to give it before. I don't want to get that information. You already got my social security number. I ain't trying to make this difficult, but this is excessive, and I want to give you my phone number. But they know where my house at. I live right down the street.
This is the way court can contact you. So if they don't know your phone number, how do you know? That's why. But it's something that if you miss it again, it's gonna be another one. So just put zeros.
Don't even worry about that. We here out of retaliation anyway, so that's what this is all about.
Okay, can you step up on the black implements and just look up at the camera? Okay, keep looking, keep looking, keep looking. Alright, good. Can you turn to the side, please?
I'm saying, this is all for driving my car, for rolling down my window. Are we serious?
Alright. Okay.
Weirdos.
Oh, yeah.
You got somewhere I can wash my hands at?
Wash your hands. Yeah, I can take you to the bathroom.
Because I ain't supposed to be here, that's why. Because this is BS, that's why. Let's be real. Y'all don't be serious. Where's my tax dollars going, man? What? Where's my tax dollars going? Y'all don't even have soap in the bathroom? Bro, y'all cannot be serious. This is where my tax dollars going.
You want instant charger?
Yeah, that's the best one. Yeah. Ain't no way, man. Out this door in front of me?
Sure.
Y'all are the nicest kidnappers ever. Thank you for letting me know. Keep in mind that it's 10:34 right now, and I'm about to go upstairs to see the judge right now. Keep that in mind. It's 10:34 a.m. and I just got unkidnapped, and I'm about to go upstairs to see the judge.
No insurance. Unlawfully tinted windows. I always think that's the dumbest ticket.
Yeah, how about you?
I'm sorry?
I always think that's the dumbest ticket. The tinted windows thing. Because a lot of people leave the dealership with the tinted windows and, right. Distracted driver, what were you doing?
This is our retaliation. He retaliated against me. It's just that simple.
All right, let's get you a court-appointed attorney. You posted your bond. There's a $100 bond, which is. Did you not appear for a hearing?
No, I didn't appear for any of the hearings because of particular personal reasons. I was unable to appear.
Are you gonna retain an attorney or get a court-appointed attorney?
A court-appointed attorney,
Good.
yes.
Fill that out. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go in, waive the reading of the charges and stand mute. Failure to appear, Did you come in an A for any of the hearings or not yet?
No,
Oh,
today's
okay.
my first time being here.
Okay, gotcha. All right, so arraignment. And how old are you?
I'm 33.
Do you work?
No, I don't.
What do you do?
I work from home. Yes, I work from home.
Okay, what do you do?
I'm self-employed, and I wish not to disclose my employment.
That's fine. Self-employed. And you live with family, friends, by yourself?
I'm married.
Oh, okay.
My wife and my kids.
How many kids?
I have 3 kids.
How old? Fun. All right. So what we're going to do is you're not a flight risk, you're married, you have children. We just want to get you give you a court-appointed attorney and set it for pretrial. And the address that we have is correct at.
That is correct.
Okay. So all we do is you go in, state your name for the record. I then say we waive the reading of the charges because you know what they are, and stand mute. You set it for a pretrial, and you get an attorney, and you discuss all of this, whether it's retaliation or whatever it is. Get discovery, find out what the cops say, all of it, and then you have full hearings on that.
Okay.
Questions?
No questions.
And I can't access any information. The DMV stuff's all down, so we can't get any information on you. All right, we'll get in there. Get out of here.
So I can't figure out, like, did these people suspend my driver's license, or like what's the deal? I don't know anything. They haven't told me anything.
You can check with Secretary of State if your license is suspended. You would have gotten a letter from
I would have got
them.
a notice, right? And I did not receive it.
Okay, then you're not suspended. And suspensions happen with repetition if you had a couple DWLSs, second offense, things like that, or if your points, 12 or 13 points, they send you notices.
To the school? Yeah, no, we're fine.
Okay, all right, so if you haven't gotten your notice, you're fine. And the suspension comes from them, not from us. What happens though is once these are done, then Secretary of State will be on notice and know if you have 0 points, 3 points, whatever.
Right.
And then you'll go from there.
Gotcha.
Any other questions?
No.
All right, hang tight, we'll go in.
Go to hell.
You can remain seated, please back in session.
Sir, you can state your name for the record.
Sidney.
Thank you, Judge Mann, for claiming in this manner we waive the reading of the charges, standing here, requesting an IDC attorney and sending it for pretrial.
think pre-trial, the way you made,